Good morning, students. Once again, I, Manish Bansal, TGT Science, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Regional Office, Jabalpur, welcome you all to this online class started by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Regional Office, Jabalpur. And today, in this video, we will continue Chapter 12 of Class 10 Physics, Electricity. So that is Part 2. And in this video, we will cover some important points, that is electric field, potential, and some numericals based on four formulas, out of which three we have studied in yesterday's video and one more formula we will study today, that will belong to potential. So first of all, we will start with the concept of electric field. Electric field. Electric field is that imaginary area. So first word that to be noticed is imaginary area. Means there is nothing demarcated by a boundary wall. It is just an imaginary area. So electric field is an imaginary area around a charge. This imaginary area is where it is around a charge. It can be either a positive charge, it can be either a negative charge. So electric field is that imaginary area around a charge in which its effect, which effect? The electric effect, in which its effect can be experienced. I hope this definition, this is very simple definition and it is clear to you. I repeat it once again. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज दैट इमेजिनरी एरिया. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वो इमेजिनरी एरिया होता है किसी भी चार्ज के अराउंड जिसमें इन विच its effect can be experienced. Now which kind of effect? Electric field produces two types of effect, the attraction effect or the repulsion effect. So suppose this is an area and in the center of the area one charge is situated, and at whatever distance the attraction or repulsion can be experienced, that will be called its electric field. Now in this diagram you can see I have kept one plus q charge at the center and I have shown a boundary, though it is an imaginary boundary, it does not exist in real. Just for the sake of convenience I have shown this boundary. Inside this boundary electric field is there. Inside the boundary electric field is there. It means electric effect can be experienced here, 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 here and here also. But electric effect means attraction or repulsion because of this charge cannot be experienced here. So all the area outside this circle will be called infinity. All the area outside this circle will be called infinity, and at infinity electric field also becomes zero. So that is the definition for infinity. कि infinity क्या होती है electric field के concept में, जहां पर electric field zero होता है, that area is called infinity for electric field. Now why I taught you this important point, electric field? Because in potential, which we are going to study in the next topic, in potential electric field word will come. Now dear students, potential or electric potential, you can call anything. What is potential? Basically there are two concepts of potential. Things are same, but we can explain potential in two ways. The first concept gives us the nature of potential. जो पहला वाला concept है potential का, वो हमें इसका nature बताता है. It tells us the physical significance of potential. ये हमें क्या बताता है? Physical significance बताता है किसका? Potential का, कि what actually potential is, what it actually does. So this is the potential. Now let me explain. Potential is that physical quantity. Potential is that physical quantity which determines, जो यह determine करता है whether a charge will flow or not. Means it decides, potential decides whether the charge will flow or not from one point to another point, and if it flows, what will be its direction and in which direction. Means it decides two things. Potential decides two things. First of all, it will decide whether a charge will flow from this point to that point or not, and if it will flow, then will it flow from point A to point B or from point B to point A. So these two things are done by potential, or we can say these two things are decided by potential. Now let us remind once again, what are the two functions of potential? Yeah, what potential does? Potential determines two things. Potential determines two things: whether the charge will flow or not, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि चार्ज फ्लो होगा कि नहीं होगा, और अगर हमें इसका जवाब मिलता है यस कि हाँ चार्ज फ्लो होगा, देन द सेकंड क्वेश्चन अराइजेस इन विच डायरेक्शन, मींस व्हाट विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस चार्ज, व्हाट विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ दिस चार्ज. नाउ लेट मी गिव एन एनालॉजी. एनालॉजी मींस मैं आपको एक अलग एग्जांपल से समझाता हूं, दैट इज द बेस्ट सूटेड एग्जांपल टू एक्सप्लेन द पोटेंशियल. हियर इन टू बीकर्स, beaker A and beaker B, some water has been given, and you can see clearly that in beaker A the water is filled up to a greater height, and in beaker B the water is filled up to a lower height. So we can say that the water level is higher in beaker A and water level is lower in beaker B. Now what will happen if I connect beaker A to beaker B through a horizontal tube? अगर मैं बीकर ए को बीकर बी से इस हॉरिजॉन्टल ट्यूब के द्वारा कनेक्ट कर दूं, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? ऑब्वियसली योर आंसर विल बी वाटर विल फ्लो फ्रॉम बीकर ए टू बीकर बी, एंड इट इज करेक्ट आल्सो. नाउ क्वेश्चन कम्स हियर, व्हाई? सो द ऑब्वियस आंसर दैट कम्स इन आवर माइंड इज वाटर ऑलवेज फ्लोज फ्रॉम हाई सरफेस और हाई लेवल टू लोअर लेवल. वाटर ऑलवेज फ्लोज फ्रॉम, naturally we can make it happen that water can also go from lower level to higher level through our motor pumps or water pumps, but that is not natural, that is forced pumping. But we are not talking about that, we are talking about natural phenomenon. The natural phenomenon, what it says that water always always flows from high water surface or high water level to low water level. और कब तक? Till when? It will flow until both the water levels become equal. I hope it is clear to you कि पानी का फ्लो होगा हायर लेवल टू लोअर लेवल होगा, वी नो. कब तक होगा? जब तक कि दोनों का वाटर लेवल सेम नहीं हो जाता. इन द सेकंड केस यू कैन सी व्हेन बोथ द वाटर लेवल्स हैव बिकम इक्वल, वाटर फ्लोइंग स्टॉप्स. सो इन दिस केस what has decided the flow of water and the direction of water? In this case, the height of water column, the height of water column has decided whether the water will flow or not, and if it will flow, what will be its direction. These two things are decided by the height of water column. I hope it is clear to you. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछता हूं. सपोज इनमें वाटर, ये अगेन टू बीकर्स हैं और सेम हाइट तक इसमें वाटर भरा हुआ है. किस हाइट तक वाटर भरा हुआ है? सेम हाइट तक वाटर भरा हुआ है. नाउ यू टेल मी, इफ आई कनेक्ट देम विथ अ ट्यूब, will the water flow from beaker A to beaker B? In this case, no. In this case, water will not flow because both water are at same height. Water level दोनों का कैसा है? Same है. So water will not flow. Now, what I taught you, why I taught you about this concept? Because this is directly related to potential. Just like water always flows from high water level to low water level in the same way. Just read this line. Just like water always moves from high water level to a low water level, in the same way, positive charge, remember, you will always be told that charge always flows from positive potential to negative potential, high potential to low potential, but I must clear you that positive charge always flows from high potential to low potential. It is half correct. It is half correct when anyone says that charge always flows from high potential to low potential. It is half correct. The full correct is positive charge always flows from high potential to low potential. Then automatically what will be the second case? The negative charge will always flow from low potential to high potential. I will explain in the later part of the video. So I hope the relation between potential and water level is clear to you. So चार्ज हमेशा कहां से कहां फ्लो होता है? चार्ज हमेशा फ्लो होगा हाई पोटेंशियल टू लो पोटेंशियल के लिए फ्लो होगा. चार्ज हमेशा हाई पोटेंशियल टू लो पोटेंशियल फ्लो होता है, एंड वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट पॉजिटिव चार्ज. जनरली वी टॉक अबाउट पॉजिटिव चार्ज. दैट्स व्हाई we make it clear in our minds that positive charge always flows from high potential to low potential, and generally we generalize it. हम क्या करते हैं, generalize कर देते हैं, and we remove this positive word, we use charge only and we keep this phrase intact. हम इसको चार्ज के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं कि चार्ज हमेशा हाई पोटेंशियल टू लो पोटेंशियल फ्लो करता है. करेक्ट है, बट परफेक्टली करेक्ट क्या है कि पॉजिटिव चार्ज मूव करता है हाई पोटेंशियल टू लो पोटेंशियल. Now, let me give you, this is the physical significance of potential. As I told you, this is the physical significance of potential. What potential actually is, what potential actually does. Now I am going to tell you one more side, the second face of the coin of the potential, which is more important for you. Now, electric potential. Electric potential. Before writing its definition, let me explain how in other way we can define potential, and that is more important for you, and that you have to write in your answer also, as your answer also. This is a plus Q charge. It is a bigger charge, and it is called the source charge. Which charge? Source charge. What is the meaning of source charge? Source charge is the charge because of which the electric field is produced, and this is the charge which is causing the potential. यही वो चार्ज है जिसकी वजह से हम पोटेंशियल को यहां पर कैलकुलेट करने जा रहे हैं. So this is called the source charge. Now, what is this lining, what is the circle denoting? As you remember, I had drawn one diagram here, and you must clearly remember that this boundary represents the electric field. So this is the electric field denoted by capital E. It means only inside the circle electric field is there, and this is the boundary of electric field. So that means it will be infinity here, infinity here, infinity here, infinity here, infinity everywhere outside this circle. Now be careful. Suppose 1 coulomb positive charge is there outside the electric field. यहां पर क्या है, एक कूलाम का पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, एंड वी कॉल दिस यूनिट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज. यूनिट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज. Let me explain the meaning of this long word. This is plus 1 coulomb charge. This is called test charge. Test charge means, why it is called test charge? Because we will bring this charge inside the electric field just to test the potential. क्या करेंगे हम इसको, इस एक कूलाम के पॉजिटिव चार्ज को हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, इस बिगर चार्ज के, सोर्स चार्ज के इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर लेकर आएंगे, जस्ट टू कैलकुलेट और जस्ट टू टेस्ट द पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस चार्ज. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड टेस्ट चार्ज. एंड टेस्ट चार्ज शुड ऑलवेज बी 1 coulomb. It should be positive also. Why it is called unit positive? Because 1 is called unit in 1. And why it is positive? Because test charge generally is positive. So this is unit positive test charge, and we will bring this charge inside the electric field gradually, slowly, step by step. Now look at the board very carefully. आपको मैंने एक चीज बताई है कि कभी भी अट्रैक्शन हो या रिपल्जन हो, whether it is attraction or whether it is repulsion between two charges, it will always be inside the electric field. Outside the electric field, attraction will not be there, repulsion will not be there. So tell me one thing, if this charge is here and the electric field is only up to here, whether there will be attraction or repulsion between these two charges? क्या attraction होगा, repulsion होगा? आंसर है कुछ भी नहीं होगा, nothing. क्यों होगा, क्यों नहीं होगा कुछ भी? बिकॉज दिस 1 कूलम पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज आउटसाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. वेयर it is outside the electric field. It means neither attraction nor repulsion. Okay, if I move this charge from here to here, here to here, here to here and again comes back, क्या मुझे कोई अट्रैक्शन रिपल्जन का महसूस होगा? क्या मुझे कुछ वर्क करना पड़ेगा? Will I have to do some work when I bring this charge from here to this point, from this point to this point, from this point to this point and again to this point? क्या मुझे कोई काम करना पड़ेगा? Will I have to do any work? No. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे ना अट्रैक्शन महसूस हो रहा है ना रिपल्जन महसूस हो रहा है. That means I will not have to do any work. But if I bring this charge from here to here and then from here to inside the electric field, then I will have to do work or I will feel repulsion. I will feel repulsion from here to bringing here. Is it correct? सोचिए और बताइए कि जब मैं अपने 1 कूलम पॉजिटिव चार्ज, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेस्ट चार्ज, व्हेन आई विल ब्रिंग दिस टेस्ट चार्ज फ्रॉम द बाउंड्री मींस इंफिनिटी, फ्रॉम बाउंड्री और इंफिनिटी टू इनसाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, अगर मैं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर लेकर आऊंगा, दैट मींस इट विल डेफिनेटली रिपेल द टेस्ट चार्ज. दिस मेन चार्ज विल डेफिनेटली रिपेल. क्यों? दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव, this is also positive. So two positive charges, what will they do? They will repel each other. तो ये इसको repel करेगा. Now this main charge will repel this smaller charge. So when I will enter the electric field, जब मैं electric field में enter करूंगा, I will feel repulsion. I am bringing the charge. Just suppose I am bringing the charge and I have taken this charge in my hand and I am coming towards this main charge. Then this charge will repel me. वो मुझे करेगा रिपेल, आप मान लीजिए चार्ज को करेगा बट रिपल्जन होगा. देन आई विल हैव टू डू सम वर्क. आई विल हैव टू डू सम वर्क टू ब्रिंग दिस चार्ज फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड. सपोज दिस इज पॉइंट ए एंड आई डू फ्रॉम हियर 0 to 10 जूल वर्क. कितना वर्क करता हूं मैं? पॉइंट ए तक लाने में 10 जूल वर्क होता है. कितना वर्क होता है? 10 जूल वर्क होता है. एंड रिमेंबर, the charge that you are bringing is 1 कूलम, यूनिट चार्ज. ये आपको याद रखना होगा. तो 1 कूलम चार्ज को लाने में, 1 कूलम पॉजिटिव चार्ज को लाने में, या यूनिट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज को इंफिनिटी टू किसी एक पॉइंट जो कि कहां पर होना चाहिए? इनसाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होना चाहिए, उसको अंदर लाने में whatever amount of work I am doing, that will be equal to potential denoted by V. Is equal to 10 volts. Volts is the unit of potential. क्या ये कंसेप्ट समझ में आया? What is potential? Potential is equal to work. What is potential? Potential is equal to work done. What work done in which work? In which work? Work done in bringing. Work done in bringing unit positive test charge from where? From infinity to where? To any point. From infinity to any point, but that point should be where? Inside the electric field, because I will bring this charge from here to here. Outside the electric field, no work will be done, no potential will also be there. So whatever work is done to bring a unit positive test charge from infinity to any point, that will be the potential of that point. That will be the potential of only that point. आप कहोगे यहां का भी 10 है तो यहां का भी 10 होना चाहिए. नो. क्यों होगा? सपोज मैं यहां हूं, यहीं से अगर मैं यहां से लेके यहां ना लाके यहां लेके आता हूं, एंड दिस इज पॉइंट बी, विल आई हैव टू डू वर्क लेस देन 10 जूल, मोर देन 10 जूल और इक्वल टू 10 जूल? अगर मैं यहां से इतनी स्टार्टिंग मानू इंफिनिटी, दिस इज कॉल्ड इंफिनिटी. इफ आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अगेन इंफिनिटी एंड ब्रिंग टू बी, ए इज नॉट इन माई जर्नी, ए मेरी जर्नी में है ही नहीं इस बार, देन व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क एट पॉइंट बी? ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन 10 जूल. ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि अगर मैं यहां से स्टार्ट करूंगा, यहां तक लाऊंगा तो 10 जूल है, तो मैं और अगर पास जाऊंगा पॉजिटिव चार्ज के, ध्यान रखिएगा, अगर मैं पॉजिटिव चार्ज के और पास जाऊंगा तो ये वर्क 10 जूल से ज्यादा होगा. लेट अस से इट इज 20 जूल. It is 20 joule. Then what will be the potential here? It will be 20 volts. It will be 20 volts. So you can see that if positive charge is producing electric field, अगर हम positive charge की वजह से potential पता कर रहे हैं, then the nearer we go, greater the potential. जैसे जैसे हम चार्ज के पास जाते जाते हैं पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू बढ़ती जाती है, और यू कैन से ऑल्सो दैट व्हेन वी गो फार फ्रॉम द चार्ज द पोटेंशियल डिक्रीजेस, एंड डिक्रीज होते 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 हियर इट बिकम्स जीरो. आउटसाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इट बिकम्स जीरो, और जीरो से अगर पास आएंगे तो जीरो जीरो से इंक्रीज होगा 1 वोल्ट, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this way it keeps on increasing and becomes maximum on the surface of charge. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to you. Now let me give you the definition. On this understanding, on this explanation, based on this explanation, we will try to figure out the definition. Potential of a point inside the electric field is equal to work done in bringing a unit positive test charge from infinity to which point? That point. Now this is the second definition, which is much more important for you. You have to write this definition only in your exam paper if the question comes. Now let me explain this definition and relate this definition with this diagram or whatever I have explained. Potential of a point. Why I have used a point? Because potential is different at different points. So potential हमेशा किसका होता है? Point का होता है. Potential of a point inside the electric field. Why I have used this phrase, inside the electric field? Because potential is always inside the electric field. Now we move ahead. Is equal to, what is the potential equal to? Work done. जैसा कि हमने समझा potential किसके equal होता है? Potential is always equal to work done. Work done in bringing, what we are bringing? We are bringing a unit positive test charge. We are bringing a unit positive test charge. From where we are bringing it? We are bringing it from infinity. हम इसको कहां से ला रहे हैं? Infinity से ला रहे हैं. कहां तक ला रहे हैं? To that point. To that point means which point? Which we are talking about. The point which we are talking about, or at which we have to find out the potential. So that is that particular point. So this is the definition of electric potential. अब एक चीज और आपको बताता हूं. मैंने आपको बताया था कि पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑलवेज, ये मैं आपको यहीं इसी डायग्राम में क्लियर कर दूंगा, मूव्स फ्रॉम हाई potential to low potential. Now just look at this diagram very carefully. This is point A, this is point B, and this has 10 volt potential, this has 20 volt potential. I told you in the video, because from here to here 10 joule work was done, from here to here 20 joule work was done. So the potential of this point is 10 volt, this is 20 volt. So obviously it is visible that this is higher potential and this is lower potential. Now remember, मैं इसको ला रहा था. Suppose I was bringing this charge from in my hand from here to B, and suddenly at B the charge released. चार्ज क्या हो गया? मेरे हाथ से रिलीज हो गया, ये चार्ज मेरे हाथ से छूट गया. अब आप मुझे बताएं, नेचुरली चार्ज है ये क्या है? चार्ज है. विल इट गो नियरर टू मेन चार्ज और विल इट गो अवे? सोचिए क्या होगा इसमें. क्या ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज, टेस्ट चार्ज, पॉजिटिव चार्ज अपने आप प्लस क्यू के पास जाएगा या प्लस क्यू इसे धक्का देगा? इट विल रिपेल द टेस्ट चार्ज. तो ऑब्वियसली इट विल रिपेल द टेस्ट चार्ज एंड इट विल गो फ्रॉम 20 टू 10 वोल्ट, एंड अगेन इट विल बी रिपेल, क्योंकि अंदर इसको रिपल्जन महसूस होगा, एंड ग्रेजुअली इट विल मूव आउट. और जैसे ही वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के बाहर निकल जाएगा, उस पर ना अट्रैक्शन होगा ना रिपल्जन होगा. सो आई होप दिस इज ऑल्सो क्लियर टू यू दैट अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज, विच चार्ज? पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑलवेज मूव्स फ्रॉम हाई पोटेंशियल टू लो पोटेंशियल, ऑलवेज मूव्स फ्रॉम हाई पोटेंशियल टू low potential, because if the charge is released at any point it will always move farther, वो बहुत दूर दूर जाता जाएगा और जैसे जैसे दूर जाएगा पोटेंशियल कम होता जाएगा. दैट मीन्स इट इज मूविंग फ्रॉम हाई पोटेंशियल एरिया टू लो पोटेंशियल एरिया. So this concept is also clear to you. Potential. One formula comes here. Potential. Potential is denoted by capital V, and its symbol is V, and its unit is also V. V is unit of volt. Is equal to work done divided by charge. Work done divided by charge. Now, ये जो definition है, this definition has been made by keeping the charge 1. जब हम चार्ज को क्या मानते हैं? 1 मानते हैं. रिमेंबर दिस चार्ज, व्हाट इज, विच चार्ज इज दिस? दिस वन और दिस वन. सोचिए और बताइए. ये जो मैं चार्ज का डिवाइड लगा रहा हूं, वर्क डन अपॉन चार्ज, ये चार्ज कौन सा वाला है? द सोर्स चार्ज और द टेस्ट चार्ज. सो रिमेंबर दिस चार्ज इज ऑलवेज द टेस्ट चार्ज, और द चार्ज विच वी आर ब्रिंगिंग इनसाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ये वो चार्ज होता है जिसका हम डिवाइड लगा रहे हैं, ये वो चार्ज होता है जो हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर ला रहे होते हैं. अब आप मुझे बताइए, जो हम चार्ज अंदर ला रहे हैं, द चार्ज विच वी आर ब्रिंगिंग इनसाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विच इज टेस्ट चार्ज, और इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है? 1 कूलम. सो क्या ये वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी? ये वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी. यस, दिस वैल्यू इज 1. देन व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल इक्वल टू? पोटेंशियल इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन, और हमारी डेफिनेशन भी तो वही है. द पोटेंशियल is equal to work done. Potential is equal to work done in bringing how much charge? 1 coulomb charge. So the formula that we arrive here is work upon charge. So this is the fourth very important formula for you. This is the formula for potential, the basic formula for potential, and I hope this electric potential is now very much clear to you. In this, at the same time, let me also tell you about the electric potential difference. Means potential difference. What is potential difference? Now you tell me, can you figure out what can be electric potential difference or potential difference in this diagram? Just think about these points A and B. A and B. If I want to bring, I don't bother about bringing from infinity to A. I am just bringing the charge from A to B. मैं चार्ज को कहां से कहां ला रहा हूं? पॉइंट A to पॉइंट B ला रहा हूं. Then what will I have to do? Some work. Of course I have to do some work. I have to do some work of equal to 20 minus 10 equal to 10 जूल. कितना वर्क करना पड़ेगा? 10 जूल करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मेरा चार्ज ऑलरेडी यहां पर है. तो यहां से लेकर यहां तक लाने में कितना वर्क हुआ, मुझे इसकी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. All I have to bother about is how much work will be done when I bring the charge from point A to point B. So it will be equal to, here was 10 joule, here was 20 joule. So what actually net charge? It is 10 joule. 20 minus 10 equal to 10 joule. So ultimately this will also be the potential. 10 volt will be the potential difference. 10 volt will be the potential difference between point B and point A. 10 volt will be the potential difference between point B and point A. Okay. Achha. One more thing, this potential difference is positive because I am finding the potential difference between a higher potential point and a lower potential point. I am finding potential difference between point B and point A. If I reverse this situation and ask you to calculate the potential difference between point A and point B, then your answer will be 10 minus 20 equal to minus 10 volt. I hope this is clear to you. Potential difference can be positive, potential difference can be negative, and potential difference can be zero also. How can it be zero? Let me explain. Suppose this is infinity. You bring one point here. Suppose this is 1 meter distance. Okay. So here is 10 joule work. So equal to 10 volt. Another point here. You bring one coulomb charge from here to here, and this distance is also 1 meter. Now just tell me whether the work will be 10 joule here in this case also, because in this case when I bring the charge 1 meter inside the electric field, work done is 10 joule, so potential is 10 volt. Will the work will be 10 joule or potential will be 10 volt here in this case also, because the distance is same? Of course. Here the work done will be also equal to 10 joule, so potential will be 10 volt. So this is 10 volt, दिस इज 10 वोल्ट, तो क्या मैं चार्ज को यहां से अगर यहां लाऊंगा तो क्या कोई वर्क होगा? बताइए, लेट्स कैलकुलेट. 10 जूल माइनस 10 जूल इक्वल टू 0 वोल्ट. नो. So the potential difference will be 0 volt. So the work done will also be 0 volt. So in this way, potential difference can also be 0. Potential difference can also be positive. Potential difference can also be negative. It depends on whether we are finding the potential difference from a higher point to lower point, lower potential to higher potential, or to same potential points. Okay, I hope this electric potential and potential difference also, this concept is clear to you. In the next part, let me give you the definition of potential difference. Potential difference. What is potential difference? %90 the definition is same. Just see which words I am changing. Potential difference of a point की जगह आ जाएगा between two points. Potential difference between two points, but both the points should be inside the electric field. So these words will be same. Potential difference between two points inside the electric field is equal to, ये सेम रहेगा, is equal to work done in bringing क्या लेकर आते हैं? सेम यूनिट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज. ब्रिंगिंग अ यूनिट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज from infinity. Now be remember one thing, infinity to that point की जगह हमको करना पड़ेगा from the first point to the second point. From the second point, because this time it is not potential, it is potential difference. So 2 points will be there, the first point and the second point. So the definition will also change accordingly. Potential of a point, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर एक point का निकाल रहे थे, तो that was potential inside the electric field is equal to work done in bringing a unit positive test charge from infinity to that point. I hope this also is clear for you, and here we finished this video of today. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for the honorable dignitaries of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Regional Office Jabalpur for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to teach online to a whole plethora of students belonging to various KVs under the guidance of Regional Office Jabalpur. Thank you very much, sir. Jai Hind.